Ladies and gentlemen, the meeting is about to begin. Please take your seats.
It seems weird that I'm going to see snowmobiles.
Here I am in Orlando, Florida at the Gaylord, ready to go in and see the 2020 Polaris Snowmobiles. Dealer show, tons of people here. We're all excited to go see what's new for 2020, so let's go check it out.
After year, and we've made the commitment, we've got the money put behind. We're celebrating our 65th anniversary this year, which is a pretty cool fact. And when I step back and I look at the portfolio, I think of Polaris Together. And Polaris Together.
To experience more of what unites us as snowmobilers, and to forge deeper bonds in the wild and snowy places we live to ride in. Together, we are born for more.
Hi, how are you guys?
Oh yeah, game time.
Okay, I'm gonna have to grab it. You'll have to wait for it. Are you? Oh, gotcha.
That's where it gets cool. Check this out. Oh yeah, sign me up for one of those. Wow.
How are things going?
Good, good. Kind of digging this grape. What is this color? There's the Titan. Digging this red. White Lightning. What do you think? You like the white one or the black one? Here's my jam. The 144 Assault. Always one of my favorites. Oh yeah, here we go. A little chaos action.
Alright guys, I'm standing next to the new RMK Chaos. This right here is gonna be my mountain sled. New rail profile, different shocks. This thing makes that front end light, lets you ride that wheelie, lets you be able to maneuver around and play a little bit more in the mountains. This is one of my favorite sleds that they just came out with, the new Indy XCR. What's exciting about this is when the XC came out 2019, it was one of my personal favorite sleds for on the trail. The thing that I would have liked a little bit more is that the suspension was a little bit more firm so that I could kind of pound through the bumps a little bit harder, ditch bang a little bit better, and that's what they did here. They went right off of Chris Olds and Mike Morgan, Iron Dog two-time champions who just won recently, went off of them, racing one of the hardest events in the world, the longest, most gnarly snowmobile race. They used what they learned and put it here in this XCR. So it's got stiffer suspension, beefed up, and this thing is like for that aggressive guy. So that's what I'm digging about it. $146 SKS. This is my
off-trail carving machine here. Absolutely been digging this sled all winter. And I really like these new colorways. I love this. Even this red one back here, RMK 850. Really liking that red. Yes.
40th anniversary of the Indy. Loving this new colorway. But even better, this is the new Indy XC137. So, I loved my Indy XC last year. It was by far my favorite trail sled to go out and rip in. The one thing that I like about this is now you've got the 137, you get the longer tunnel, you've got more flotation. Now we can take this thing and go off trail with it. So I can go trail ripping and then go out playing as well. So the 137, a little more flotation, a little bit more side hill action, and a lot of kids running all over the place. Hey, put that back to me. This will definitely be the sled that I have in my garage, especially because you saw that. That's an 850 too. So this one is awesome. So let's check this out. You can see here, 137, longer tunnel. And the thing that's really neat about the Pro CC rear suspension and having the longer tunnel is they have a bunch of different luggage bags for on the tunnel. They also have a 2-up seating option that literally clicks on in a matter of moments. So you can literally kind of do anything with this sled. So that's what's really exciting. If you want to go out ditch banging, trail riding, off trail, you want to take someone for a ride, throw the seat on and go ripping. So that's what's cool about this. This one's going to be able to do a lot of things. I don't know if I'd take it in the mountains, but everywhere other than that, you'd be in good shape.